Hi, sweetie. How it tastes?
So sweet. So nice and refreshing.
Yeah, family. So we're just checking at Hotel Verde.
We've not even checked in. This is customer service first.
Yeah, this is like a swing chair that they can swing on like this.
And then they give you
Yeah,
this.
but welcome juice is actually like sorrel family, like sorrel in Jamaica. So nice.
To more Zanzibar.
To more Dubai,
Yes, to more.
more
Cape
Maldives,
Town.
Cape
More
Town,
Thailand.
Bora Bora,
Montego Bay.
Tahiti,
Kingston.
Ochires.
Port Antonio. Bring it on. Pretoria.
Philippines,
Durban.
Mombasa.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So this juice is sorrel, and in Jamaican we like sorrel. It's like a welcome drink.
I'll tell you next time you book. Hotel
Vard.
Bad.
Hotel Vard and my yard. We are part down at Zanzibar. So look, guys, let's check in and do a room tour. You'll do the room tour, right?
I'll try.
Yeah, family. So we're about to check in right now. Huh? We're going with this? Huh? Yeah. Well, that seems like it's very big. Yeah, family. So the hotel is so big, you have to be going with a cart. How big is this place? Guess you all come back and take a photo.
You are carried in.
Huh?
Okay. Welcome to Hotel Verde Zanzibar.
Thank you.
We'll take you to the room.
Alright.
So you like to see around first before going to the room, or you want to go direct to the room?
Sure, we like to tour and to know where to find where,
Oh, okay.
what to do and stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So this building in front of us, down here we have a spa,
Okay.
salon, sauna, traditional hammam, jacuzzi inside with
Okay.
extra charges. And to the top floor, to the first floor, we have gym. Gym is within your package.
Package.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you're going to be coming for gym.
Yeah, in the
This
morning.
is the
Yeah.
home building where you'll be coming to stay.
Oh, right there. Okay.
I'll show you the inside also.
Alright.
So to the same building we're coming from now, down here we have a restaurant.
Restaurant?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
For the breakfast tomorrow, 6:30 to 10:30 in the morning,
Okay.
which is within your package. Also this side we have a swimming pool. This one for the children, and the other one is for adults.
Okay.
Also it's within your package. It's open around 8 in the morning to 6 in the evening. And here at evening we have a barbecue.
Okay.
So if you need anything,
You guys have
like-
buffet here?
Yes, in the morning we have buffet, but in the evening depends of the parts of the food.
Okay, okay.
Also, this side we have a water park, but it's only open on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, okay.
And this side also we have a marina, the only hotel in East Africa which have a huge marina like this.
Ah, wow.
We rent the parking of the boats, but also we have our own yacht boat and speedboat. If you like to do tours with us, we can take you to Prison Island, or
Okay.
cruising around, or take you to the sandbank also. So anytime, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Also, we have jet ski. Apart from
Okay.
jet ski. And for the jet ski, also you can do jet ski here and enjoy the ocean.
The ocean.
Okay.
But also you have a free kayak for the sport activities. The
Okay.
kayak is a small boat where you ski yourself.
Okay,
So
okay.
you have 30 minutes to do it. We open our office here around 11 up to 5 in the evening.
Okay, okay.
For all those activities.
For all those activities. But if you need the earliest, you have to book first, so we can do it for you early.
Okay.
Unless
Okay.
if you need the normal time, so you can do it the normal time.
Okay. Okay. What about the beach?
As we have done the reclamation from the pool to here, so we get the marina and all this area for the Luna Park, the swing things for the children to come to play.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we squid the ocean.
This is nice. Look at the view. It's exactly what I saw on the photos.
Okay.
The almonds.
So, where do you swim? Like for beach? Like you want to swim?
Normally our guests are going to town or they're going to north or east of the island.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So when you go with the boat, you can come off and swim.
Yes, there is a place like at the prison island. You can go off.
Oh,
to
that's
the
the
sea.
island you come off and swim.
Yes.
Okay,
And then
okay.
also to the sandbank. Also, you can go off and swim. So what do you like to do
For tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll have.
If so many guests are done the activities, you have to book it early.
Early, yeah, okay,
Because we
okay.
are in the peak season. So
Mhm.
in guests and out guests are coming because we are the only in the island we have this kind of boats.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
You have to make the reservation one day before.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe we'll make it later. Or you make it? You make it at the front desk?
At what time you want, so we can call them, then we can make it.
We can make the reservations. Alright.
Okay.
We'll be here for not really quite some time, but maybe we can relax tomorrow and then, or we can book tomorrow to do the following.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, family, this is Hotel Verde. Dream Yachts. You were saying that every room has an hammock.
Yeah, I noticed
That's what you were
that.
saying.
Yeah. Come out and get that nice sunshine. Go in Nairobi are freezing.
So if you want to go off property, how do you go about it? You just, is there a taxi or, you guys have?
Yes, we have our own taxi, but also we have outside taxi. So if you like that, we can just call it for you. It depends where you want to go, then you share the price with them.
Okay.
Sorry, what's your room?
Oh, the room. What's the room number?
Or 023?
023.
I think maybe this is a standard room. Maybe
But
and
this
that-
one is like,
maybe
the
like
rooms
this.
are different, of course. From this side and this side.
This standard room is executive.
Ah.
Room 23 is
Yeah, yeah.
ground floor.
Okay,
So it will be in our own house.
here we are.
Right, guys, that was a good ride. Explore Hotel Verde. Let's go and open up to see what's inside. Let's open up and see. 23. Oh, we're gonna do the room tour. What? Yeah, the one that has the strongest.
Not anyone, there's admin, there's conference, there's guest. There's guest.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we actually, you know, what I mean, at the hotel room, in Verde Hotel, and this is what it looks like, family. And the ground floor, it's a standard room. I know you like it so far.
I love it.
You love it, family. So as you can see, this is what it comes with. You have a fridge, and you have your dressing area. You have a wardrobe. So you have a robe here, you know. Yes, you have a robe here. So it's a Verde Hotel robe. You'll put it on this robe, right? That's man no real robe. Here guys, so we have a robe, we have our slippers here too. And this is what the bathroom look like, family. Bathroom is like this. Bathroom is like this. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. We're down at Zanzibar. We are powered down at Zanzibar. We get some nice water. Here, let me see what they have in the fridge. If it's empty. The fridge is empty.
Let's put that here.
Coconut water.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, this is the video of touring of Hotel Verde. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts about everything. Let us know when you come into Zanzibar if you're booking Hotel Verde. It's a nice place. There's so much thing to do on the property, as you can see. So we're gonna enjoy. So like, share, and comment on the video. One love. God bless. I'm out. Wow, Tanzania food smells so nice, family. So wifey says she's hungry like a dog,
Hungry is an understatement.
and she wants to actually,
Starving.
she's starving. So we need to get a chance to go out to eat. Alright, sweetie, come and start to eat.
Not even sure I want to talk
This is like chicken, and this is some watermelon juice. So you're gonna eat and enjoy, right? I'm just waiting for to go on the road to eat.
I'll still go on the road to
I'll just eat this because I want to go to Lookman.
This is for giving me energy to reach out and love that.
Energy.
Yeah, to enter that tuk-tuk.
Wow. Watermelon juice in Zanzibar with their par. Wow, it's thick and rich. How you like it so far? Wow, first meal in Tanzania. And they say Tanzania make the best chapati, right?
Yeah. Also, I need to make nice chapatis.
Mm. Wow. Watermelon juice. So tasty. With this.
Nice.
Alright, family, enjoy. Like, share, and comment on the video, family. This is the Kenya Tanzania food. It's chapati. It's watermelon juice.
Drink tea with them.
You never know.
So I can get it with them, with it in the restaurant in the morning.
No, so it's not something people eat outside.
No, I look funny. I look like I come from the bush. Like I even don't know what to do in the room.
First time in a robe, sweetie. Come.
No,
Make a vlog about your first time in a
it's
robe.
not my first time in a room. You never seen the one I have at home?
First time in a robe.
They even have like this.
Miss Jam Tours, first time in a robe.
Guy. Then I have a lot of robes.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, it's Miss Jam Tour's birthday vacation, and she's enjoying. We're enjoying the
Yeah, I'm
hotel so
already
far.
in a room. You see me in a room, no
You know-
baby around.
No, it's royalty.
Just me. It's just
Yeah.
Madame Miss Jam Toes. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we just take a shower and just relaxing a little because, as you know, after those 2 flights, connecting flights, it's kind of draining. So you just want to relax a little.
We call it in Kiswahili panda shuka.
Panda show. And what you say you want to do now? You say you want to go and try some Tanzanian, Zanzibar food, local food. Yeah. And I want to check out this restaurant called Lukman. That's where the last time I came to Tanzania, that's where I eat, and the food was lovely.
Nice.
Yes, I want you to
I
experience
want
it.
to try out some, like, you understand, eh?
Yeah.
You know hotel food now. Just the regular thing, chicken, a lot of spices, no problem. But I just want, like, when you go to a different country, you want to try out the local food. So.
Yeah, fellas, for now we're gonna get a nap and wake up and touch the road. Touch the road, me clip them load.
And take
And I'm very load. Touch the thing, I'm in a bum thing, I'm in a bum thing, I'm in a bum thing.
that one.
Alright guys, we out.